starting with lesson 93, which is writing money using dollar signs and cent signs. There are some ways that money amounts are written in newspapers, menus, all kinds of stuff. So, what do you notice about the way money is written? They're typically written with a dollar sign or a cent sign. Mainly nowadays, you see everything written with a dollar sign. When something costs less than $1, we usually write the amount using a cent symbol. Let's pretend that this marker right here in my hand costs 38 cents. How would I write that? Well, typically I just write it like this, 38 cents. When something costs more than $1, we write the amount a different way. We write the amount using a dollar sign. If you've never seen a dollar sign before, this is a dollar sign. It's been written like this, like this. Let's write $2.50. Okay, so we would write $2. You need your decimals, and 50 cents. Well, how do I know what that is? I need a dollar sign. So it works just like a label. That's why I tell you labels are important, okay? So we would put our dollar sign right there. When we write a dollar sign, we write an S with a vertical line through it, or you do the vertical line through it, or you can do 2 lines through it. Either way is fine. So you could do it this way, or you could do, I think mostly people use this way. We never use a dollar sign and a cent symbol at the same time, guys. So do I need $2.50? Do I need that? No, I'm not going to need that. Now that I know that we're dealing with money, this decimal point right here is going to let me know that I have $2 and I have 50 cents, okay? Just by the way of the placement with my ones, tens, and hundreds, okay? So that, knowing your place value in the other films that I've showed you is going to help you out a lot, okay? So this is how you would write $2.50. All right, let's write $3.25 now. So you can go ahead and write $3.25. Okay? So that's pretty simple. All right, let's keep going through. Let's do $5.91. $5.91. Y'all be practicing with me if y'all aren't already, okay? Or practice your dollar signs. $2.10. Okay, or you can do it like that. So let's do $4.05, okay? So $4.05. Okay? The 0 in this means I do not have any dimes. Okay? I have $4, no dimes, and I have 5 pennies. Okay? All right? So we have to put a 0 there. It goes back to if we have 5 pennies, if we just wrote it like this, that turns into $4.50. Okay? Because you have to have zeros in the ones, tens, or hundreds place. Okay? So you have to pay attention and how you write things, okay, guys? All right, so let's do the next one. We're going to write, the next one we're going to write with a decimal point, okay? We're going to write 63 cents using a dollar sign. Have you ever written 63 cents using a dollar sign before? No, you haven't. Okay, so we're going to write 63 cents using a dollar sign. We're going to do so if it asks you to write your answer and you only have 63 cents or 75 cents and it says using a dollar sign, this is how you would write this one. Okay. It's the same as doing this. Okay. Same thing. Just a different way to write it, okay? All right. So, parents, go ahead and give your child a piece of scrap paper and just let them practice their dollar signs. They can write it like this or this. If the book says to do it with just one line, first you're going to practice making your dollar sign, okay? And then make 5 dollar signs on your paper, okay? I want you to make 5 dollar signs on your paper, okay? So you can pause the video and work on that, and then you'll resume in just a second. Now, guys, I want you to practice writing money amounts on your paper. The first one I want y'all to write is $2.75, okay? $2.75. Next one, $3.41. $3.41. Next one, $4.12. $4.12. $1.08. $1.08. $8.91. And $26. That one would be fun to see what y'all come up with. $26. $9.15 and 58 cents. Okay, and I want you to use all of this using dollar signs, okay? So we're going to do everything using a dollar sign, even if it's just cents. Please use a dollar sign. Attach that to your 93 worksheet, and it will come back with me. I just want to see y'all practicing. That way when we get back, we do like menu math and stuff like that, which they would already be kind of using that if we were in class. So they would just be working on that, and I just want to kind of see that they're working on that. Or send me a picture, that would be great too. And if y'all have any questions, let me know. I hope y'all had a great Easter, and I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's week. All right, bye guys.